You sit down to study, but 5 minutes in, boom! Your brain suddenly needs to check Instagram, watch one random video, or think about what snacks you have in the fridge. Sound familiar? Yeah, that's why you never get anything done. But if you want to focus for hours and get work done like a machine, without distractions ruining your life, I've got the hacks for you. And no, this isn't the same basic advice you've heard before. Let's go. Number 6. Destroy the 5-second attention killers. Distractions don't just happen. You allow them to happen. Your phone, your messy desk, that random urge to check memes, it's all designed to pull you away. So first, destroy the obvious distractions. Put your phone in another room, not just on silent, but out of reach. Use noise-canceling headphones or listen to focus music. Keep only one task in front of you. If your workspace is cluttered, your brain is too. A study found that just having your phone nearby, even if it's off, lowers your focus by 20%. Your phone is literally making you dumber. Number 5. Hack your brain with the timer trick. Your brain sucks at focusing for long hours, but it's great at sprinting. So instead of forcing yourself to study for hours, use the Pomodoro technique. Work in 25 to 45-minute sprints, then take a 5 to 10-minute break. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents burnout. But here's the real cheat code. During breaks, do not touch your phone or you'll kill your momentum. Studies show that our brains can focus for about 45 minutes max before needing a reset. Sprints greater than marathons. Number 4, trick your brain with momentum starters. You ever feel like you can't start? That's because your brain hates big tasks. The solution? Break it into stupidly small steps. Instead of study for 3 hours, read 1 page. Instead of write an essay, write 1 sentence. Your brain thinks, oh, that's easy. And boom, you're in the zone before you even realize it. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain naturally wants to keep going. It's called the Zeigarnik effect. Look it up. Number 3, eliminate invisible energy killers. Low focus, it's probably not your motivation. It's your energy levels. Drink water. Dehydration drops brain performance by 10%. Fix your posture. Slouching equals sleepy brain. Eat real food. Junk food gives you brain fog. Your brain runs on fuel. Feed it garbage, and you'll study like garbage. Even mild dehydration can cause the same level of cognitive impairment as being drunk. Drink water. Number 2. Use the ultra-logical environment method. Ever notice how you focus better in certain places? That's because your environment trains your brain. If you always study in bed, your brain associates it with sleep. If you study in a focused space, your brain learns this is where we get stuff done. Have a dedicated study spot, not your bed. Switch locations if focus drops. A new setting, a brain reset. Study at the same time daily. Your brain loves patterns. Top performers have focus triggers, specific locations and routines that tell their brains it's go time. Number 1, reward yourself like a scientist. Your brain loves rewards. Use that against it. Set a goal. Finish 3 pages. Get a reward. 5-minute break. Big tasks, big rewards. Finish a full chapter, watch an episode of your favorite show, but never reward yourself before working. That's how losers get stuck in procrastination mode. Dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, spikes when you achieve something. Use it to train yourself to focus like a beast. There you go, the ultimate guide to focusing for hours without distractions. But knowing this is useless if you don't actually do it. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 tip and use it today. Then come back and tell me how much it changed your focus. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Do it now or keep struggling with distractions forever. Your call.